Welcome back to our channel. Today the Honda HF 2216 is a lawn tractor that was produced around 2003. It is equipped with a 16 horsepower, 529cc V-twin gasoline engine, specifically the Honda GCV 530 model. This engine is air-cooled and operates at a rated speed of 2,700 RPM. The HF 2216 offers two transmission options, a 5-speed gear transmission, HF 2216S, and a hydrostatic transmission, HF 2216H. The hydrostatic version allows for variable speed control, providing smoother operation. The tractor features a two-wheel drive, 4x2, chassis with manual steering and an open operator station. In terms of dimensions, the HF 2216 has a wheelbase of 45.3 inches, 115 centimeters, and a length of 70.1 inches, 178 centimeters, extending to 90.6 inches, 230 centimeters, when equipped with a grass collector. The height of the steering wheel is 42.1 inches, 106 centimeters, and the tractor weighs between 487 to 494 pounds, depending on the transmission type. The tractor comes with an independent mid-power takeoff, PTO, and is compatible with a 101 cm mid-mount mower deck, making it suitable for various lawn maintenance tasks. Overall, the Honda HF 2216 is recognized for its reliable performance and durability, making it a valuable tool for homeowners seeking efficient lawn care solutions.